I am so excited for today's episode. VibeLrn is a platform that allows you to learn by watching other people use AI. If this is the first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we've been doing exactly that for the last, we're coming up to about a year now, so it's really exciting times. I'm so glad that this platform got in touch with me because now it allows creators who prioritize education over brain rot to actually monetize their content. Now, this is still a fairly new platform, but I think it has unbelievable potential for explosive growth, and I think everyone should jump on it as quickly as possible. I'm not being paid for this in particular, but of course I do aim to start monetizing all the content I've been posting about on this channel for the last year. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's been helping. I want to say a massive thank you to the clients who've gotten in touch with me from these videos. Of course, we don't get a lot of views, but we are targeting the right people, the people who prioritize education and information over brain rot. Because of course, mindless entertainment only distracts people from the lives that they have, whereas purposeful education gets people closer to the lives that they want. Now, thanks a lot for listening to that TED Talk. I'm going to dive right into this and we're going to see exactly what we can do here. So you can simply just search for, what you're looking for. They've got specific tools that you can search through. So let's say you want to see what you can do with Gemini or NAN or Nano Banana. You can see that very easily. I'm going to click on this Midjourney card. We're going to start seeing different kind of tutorials and micro tutorials we can actually learn within Midjourney so that we can use the tool better. Some of these, of course, are gated, in which case you'll have to pay a certain amount of credits. I paid for my credits. There was a small, what was it? It was a nice discount for anyone who actually just joined and wanted to purchase credits immediately. Definitely something I would recommend. Once again, I don't even have an affiliate link for this platform. I just think it's really the future of what social media should be, content creation should be, and education as well. So that was just Midjourney. As you can see, you can also go to this tools section here where you'll get an extensive list of some of the most popular tools that are out there. Most of these I'm very familiar with, but some of them I don't even know, right? Despite having posted about the best new AI tools every day for coming up to a year now. If you are someone who creates educational content, you can also become a creator. There's this wonderful thing they've got called VibeGPT, which helps you break down ideas for micro tutorials and actually research anything. So that can help you with scripts and a whole bunch of different ways you can actually make your content more engaging. I've already submitted one of my first tutorials, micro tutorials that people can actually learn from. Some of them will be free, some of them will be gated with a paywall, because I do think this is valuable stuff we're doing here. We're teaching people how to use AI intentionally without actually just creating or generating things that don't provide value to anyone. So if we go into my profile now, I'm going to go into my dashboard. You can see your analytics, any micro tutorials. You can even offer one-on-one calls. You've also got the social media integration. So yeah, really interesting stuff. I think this is going to be an amazing platform, and I honestly can't wait to see exactly how it develops. I'd like to say a thank you to Aaron, who's working on the product team. We had a great call earlier today, and I'm so keen to get on this platform. I think everyone should get on it and actually use this as their primary form of content consumption so that you can get to know the AI tools so that you can actually begin orchestrating them, because the future really belongs to orchestrators. We need to move away from this idea that as humans, we need to execute everything. What we need to do is orchestrate AI agents that know exactly what to execute. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. So we need to give them very narrowly scoped tasks so that we don't fill up the context window of one particular agent, right? And we can actually spread out the task between multiple agents who are domain experts. In any case, I'll be using this platform a lot. It looks really great. I can't wait to start customizing my profile and doing what I need to do. Definitely something you should all jump on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.